Hey there! Ever wondered what happens to that delicious slice of pizza after you munch it down? Let's embark on an epic journey through your digestive system to find out. It all starts in the mouth, where your teeth and saliva begin the process of breaking down the food. Your teeth tear and grind the pizza into smaller pieces while your saliva moistens it and starts to break down the carbohydrates. This initial breakdown is crucial because it makes it easier for your body to digest the food later on. The saliva contains enzymes like amylase that start breaking down the starches in the pizza. Once the food is sufficiently chewed, it forms a soft mass called a bolus. This bolus is then swallowed and travels down the esophagus, a muscular tube that connects your mouth to your stomach. The esophagus uses rhythmic muscle contractions called peristalsis to push the bolus down. As the bolus reaches the stomach, it enters a highly acidic environment. The stomach's lining secretes gastric juices, which contain hydrochloric acid and digestive enzymes. These substances work together to break down the food into a semi-liquid form known as chyme. The stomach muscles churn the chyme, mixing it thoroughly with the gastric juices. This process can take several hours depending on the complexity of the food. Once the chyme is ready, it slowly enters the small intestine through the pyloric sphincter. The small intestine is where most of the digestion and absorption of nutrients occur. It's a long, coiled tube that can be up to 6 meters in length. The inner walls of the small intestine are lined with tiny, finger-like projections called villi, which increase the surface area for absorption. As the chyme moves through the small intestine, the nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream through the villi. These nutrients are then transported to various parts of the body, where they are used for energy, growth, and repair. After the small intestine has absorbed all the essential nutrients, the remaining waste products move into the large intestine, also known as the colon. The large intestine is about 1.5 meters long and is responsible for absorbing water and electrolytes from the waste material. As the waste material moves through the large intestine, it becomes more solid, forming what we know as stool. The large intestine also houses a variety of beneficial bacteria that help break down any remaining nutrients and produce certain vitamins. Finally, the waste material reaches the rectum, where it is stored until it is ready to be expelled from the body through the anus. This entire journey from the mouth to the exit can take anywhere from 24 to 72 hours, depending on various factors, such as the type of food and individual digestive health. So, the next time you enjoy a delicious meal, remember the incredible journey it takes through your digestive system. From the moment you take a bite to the final exit, your body is working hard to extract the nutrients you need and get rid of the waste. If you enjoyed this 3D adventure, hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating trips inside the human body. See you next time.